Shape shifting, stick shift, phuma emshinini oJezabel bayayazi basijimile iyawuthi nikhule nazi lokishini esiqithini umabheka nomsiyana ngokubacishiwe umphefumulo uyakrazuka xa nibuyele ephaya how I made it out alone kanti uThixo unjani umphefumulo uyakrazuka xa nibuyele esibango bakufaka ku-life cover gqiba bakugrumbela umhlaba so obsessed nodlame always spitting about pistols when we got missiles don't you dare blow the whistle. They put my uncle down, my kulu cried in broad day. So don't ask me why I'm always at the gun range. You niggas had to gain fame before you did your thing. I had pussy juice on my stick at 14. At 16, I barely touched my age mates. I touch an older nigga bitch, that's how I rage bait. I don't wish to be you, you don't wish to be me. But only one of us got their name on a title deed. Only one of us played debt collector hide and seek. Before me, she had a thing with a celebrity. He took you out the country and he had more racks. You thought that'd make me feel like less of a man. Come on now, my pops raised me better than that. Come on now, with confidence, yeah, I'm still intact. It's not like I don't put money in your pockets. It's not like I don't put your pussy in a coffin. It's not like my stock options don't come with profits. It's not like you and I ain't did no bridge crossing. I'm a shishini shut down all this extortion and all of this betrayal, Lord, I'm exhausted. Cause I covered that bitch nigga rent portion for 7 months and I didn't even flinch once. Wathola isibani wamflathela ujama kasijathu andifuna uxoka bayitshintshile inhliziyo yami andifuna uxoka bayitshintshile indlela engicinga ngayo andifuna uxoka bayitshintshile xa ujama kasijathu ubekhohlakele uboyazi bakulo mhlaba kuphothakele xa ujama kasijathu ubekhohlakele uboyazi bakulo mhlaba konakele